What if I told you there's a small cap defense stock that just reported over 1000% revenue growth, raised its full year guidance again, has a backlog of almost $500 million, and is directly linked with Palantir Technologies? That stock is Ondas, ticker symbol ONDS. The stock has already seen huge growth from $1 to over $10, but this could still be very early because Ondas just issued their latest earnings report, which showed revenue growth of over 1000%. But there's a lot more to this exciting story, and in this video I'm going to break it all down. As usual, this video is not financial advice, so always do your own research. Now let's get straight into it. Ondas Inc. is a technology company focused on autonomous systems, robotics, and mission-critical defense technologies. Ondas operates through Ondas Networks and Ondas Autonomous Systems, which include American Robotics and Aerobotics. The simple way to explain this is Ondas is trying to become a system of systems company for defense, security, and critical infrastructure. That means it's aiming to sell complete systems that can detect threats, gather intelligence, communicate securely, and respond autonomously. The company's products are aimed at markets like defense, homeland security, border security, and critical infrastructure. Their platforms include autonomous drone systems, counter-UAS technology, ground robotics, UAVs, and ISR capabilities, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. And this is where the investment story gets interesting because the world is clearly moving towards more drones, more autonomous systems, and more counter-drone defense, with more software-driven companies that can build the next generation of defense technology, and Ondas is trying to position itself right in the middle of that trend. Ondas just reported financial and operating results for the first quarter ended March 31st. This was released this morning and proves to be a massive quarter for the company. Q1 revenue of $50.1 million represented a more than tenfold increase from Q1 2025, and 66% quarter over quarter exceeds the high end of company guidance by 25%. They also raised full year revenue guidance to at least $390 million, representing 670% year over year increase, driven by organic growth, accelerated strategic growth program, and global demand for UAVs. Ondas now has a backlog of $457 million compared to just $68 million at the end of 2025, and they have almost $1.5 billion in cash and investments. So this was an incredible quarter, but there's a few massive things to note here. Q1 revenue was $50 million. If they did this revenue each quarter for the rest of the year, that would be $200 million for the full year, but they are guiding for $390 million. That means that they expect $340 million of revenue from April until the end of the year. That would be an average of $113 million per quarter, which is more than double the revenue we've just seen for each quarter this year. This is insane revenue growth and a major reason why the stock is flying today. CEO Eric Brock stated that our system of systems platform is scaling efficiently, and we are beginning to realize the benefits of a global operating platform designed to support higher levels of business activity and revenue. Importantly, our financial model is also demonstrating operating leverage as our product companies are adjusted EBITDA profit during the first quarter, 6 months ahead of our targets. The counter-drone platform, led by Centrix and Iron Drone, are seeing strong global demand. At the same time, the ground-based business continues to gain traction, highlighted by significant tender wins, including approximately $220 million in aggregated awards captured by 4M Defense and Indo-Earth to start 2026. The recent acquisitions of Mistral and Worldview are materially accelerating the go-to-market capabilities, particularly in the US. Mistral brings a highly strategic position as a prime contractor, including participation in an IDIQ program with the US Army worth almost $1 billion, whereas Worldview is a game changer for Ondas, accelerating the multi-domain ISR roadmap with the critical stratospheric layer and deep relationships across US defense customers. Together, these platforms significantly expand the US footprint. The CEO continues on here to say that Ondas is well positioned for the rest of 2026 and beyond. So let's take a closer look at the actual figures here on the financial statements, because this is very important and a few things do stand out that investors need to be aware of. Looking at the company's balance sheet, we can see that they have total assets of 2.4 billion and total liabilities of 1.3 billion, giving the company total stockholder equity of close to $1.1 billion. Both assets and liabilities have greatly increased from the previous quarter, as we can see here, with assets jumping from 1.1 billion up to 2.4 billion. While a major part of this is cash, something that I don't like to see is a large goodwill figure. However, this is only about 15% of assets, so I'm not overly concerned. As for liabilities, these are very small in comparisons. There's nothing big that stands out here except the warrant liability, which actually makes up over 77% of total liabilities. And that could be an issue down the line, but not right now. Looking at the statement of operations, we can see a huge increase in revenue from last year and a huge increase in gross profit. But we also see huge increases in operating expenses, meaning that the operating loss has increased 300%. However, despite this, Ondas has actually recorded net income of 361 million. And this is very important. The majority of this comes from a change in fair value of warrant liability. We can see that clearly here. It amounts to over $389 million. So this is something that investors need to keep an eye on, because while I'm bullish on Ondas stock, I have been following this one since it was only $350 in August of last year. While the stock is up 200%, the company valuation is almost tenfold. And this has a lot to do with huge share dilution. Now, before anyone freaks out, a lot of this has to do with the company's growth strategy and acquisitions. The share count has gone from 150 million at the end of June 2025 up to 469 million shares at the end of March 26. So that is significant, and that is something that you need to be aware of. Guys, I know this is the sort of video that isn't going to get a huge amount of views. And when I mention things like dilution and share counts, I'm probably going to get a load of negative comments and dislikes on this video, but I'm just trying to be honest with you and show you the details in the financial statements. So if you appreciate this, if you appreciate me digging into the numbers, then hit the thumbs up and drop a comment below and tell me, does this affect your outlook on Ondas stock? Now let's check out the investor's presentation. Looking at the investor's presentation, we can see that the plan is working. They're expanding their global market opportunities, integrating solutions, and scaling operations. Again, we have the result of that earnings report here. Ondas is 6 months ahead of their forecast. They are now active in 45 countries with over 1,000 employees across 15 offices. This is no longer a small penny stock company. I think once you hit 1,000 employees, that is a significant milestone. And they are accelerating their US expansion. Ondas's operating platform is delivering huge success. Q1 revenue grew 260% year over year with millions of purchase orders, and this is increasing each quarter too. Here we see a breakdown of that huge backlog across LMS, ISR, and aerial security, with about 65% of the backlog relating to the North American region of the business. They have over $450 million of backlog. But their 2-year strategic program pipeline suggests that they are in pursuit of over $4.3 billion of business. This is a company that is smashing their own expectations. Things they hadn't even planned to deliver until the end of this year have already been achieved, and they expect continued growth. For anyone who's new to Ondas, the company also has Palantir connections. Ondas announced a comprehensive partnership with Palantir Technologies to enhance its autonomous platforms, including access to Palantir's AIP capabilities like Foundry, Warp Speed, and Maven. This is important because Palantir is still one of the hottest AI defense names on the market. So when a smaller company like Ondas gets linked to Palantir, investors immediately start asking, could this become the next AI defense momentum stock? Could this become the next Palantir? and with the way the stock is moving over the past year, gaining over 1000%, then this is a reasonable question. But what do analysts think of Ondas Inc? Looking at MarketBeat, we can see that there are 9 Wall Street analysts covering this stock with a consensus price target of $17.25. The lowest target is $10 and the highest is $23, with one analyst going as far as to rate this as a strong buy. And the most recent targets are the highest. That $23 rating was set in March by Needham. But guys, what do you think? This is one of the most interesting small cap defense stocks in the market right now. They have massive growth, huge partnerships, huge backlog, and if Ondas can actually deliver on the story it's telling, then Ondas stock could be one of the most important AI defense stocks to watch over the next few years. So let me know in the comments, do you think Ondas is still early or has the market already priced in too much hype? And if you appreciate the research, then make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.